Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a white screen on the application of Stumble Guys. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Stumble Guys and we click. In this window of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.